I love it. I love what I do. I love manufacturing. I love making things. I love developing people. I love teaching people. Throughout the day, I'm tracking productivity, on-time delivery, keeping up with machine maintenance, efficiencies, getting involved in projects as far as onboarding new machines, product development, R&D, so it's a lot of different things. It was a long journey. I was motivated by a lot of different people that seen I had potential. They kept pushing me into different programs, so I did a lot of technical classes. I still do continuing education, so I went from being an assembler to a machinist for years, and I was a lead quality technician, and then now I'm a production supervisor. At Jergens, they do tuition reimbursement, so whatever interest you have for manufacturing, anything of that nature, whether it's business, it can be accounting, it can be human resources, it can be engineering, so anything of that nature, they will support. The time that I get allotted with my family, it's not required that I spend a ton of overtime. Financially, of course, I support my family. Opportunities for advancement, so I get to do a lot of different things. And then also I do have a lot of different people that I've had come into manufacturing just from me being there. Right now I have my daughter. She is an assembler. She's going to college at CSU to be a mechanical engineer. My husband worked there. He's a production planner. I have cousins there that are machinists and in quality department. So I have quite a few people. Having the right support system to help develop people. That's why we have, our training program. We do have on-the-job training. So mistakes happen and we just learn from them and move past them. And then also we help them to see what is the issue with it. If we need to change our process to accommodate the associate. I meet so many different people just that tour and they kind of like, oh yeah, I really want to do this because I've seen this. A lot of people that we have come through different programs like the Access program, like they just admire the dedication that Jergens gives to people. The next steps, I want to get more into the development side as far as like engineering and processes. So going to continuing education and pursuing different things. So yeah, I want to kind of open those doors for myself. Manufacturing has improved the quality of my life by just being able to comfortably support my family and get new opportunities and introduce other people to new opportunities. So it's forever giving. There's no limitations what I've gotten out of manufacturing.